Travis here from the Emerald Minecart, and welcome back to another video. Where today I'm looking at some Ferraris in a new game that I installed called CSR Classics. You might know CSR Racing and CSR 2. I have not made a video on CSR Racing. I have made a lot on 2, so I decided I'd make one on Classics. I'm looking at some Ferraris I might buy. Yeah, I'm not using Facecam today because I don't feel like it. My friend Shane had an eye injury, which really hurts. Ooh. The Ferrari F12M. Fastest, most expensive car in the game. Loved or unloved. You got the Ferrari 330 P4, which is the junior edition of the other Ferrari. Look, don't they look the same? They look the same to me. The Ferrari 250 LM. This is a tier 5. Let's look at it. Loved. Ooh. The Ferrari the Ferrari 250 GTO. Ooh. It looks beautiful. Ooh. I like it in yellow. Okay. The Ferrari's 365 GTB/4 Daytona. Ooh. The doors look. Oh, that's a nice one. Ferrari Dino 246 GT. Look at it, loved. Nice. The Ferrari 250 GT Berlinetta. And last but not least, the Ferrari 250 GT California. This car was used in a movie called Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Some of you guys might or won't know the movie. It's really funny, but it's rated PG-13. So, yeah, I like it in this color. How much can you buy it for if it's unloved? 219 grand? Wow. Now, I thought I'd look at some hot rods. They're new in the game. 0 out of 10 owned. 48 grand for the tier 1. Chevrolet Bel Air. Oh, I didn't know this is a, oh wow. I like the thing in blue. A GMC Blue Chip 150. Oh, this is a tier 2. Ooh. I like the thing in red. Really? Even let me go to red? There we go. The Chevrolet Special Deluxe. It's not that cool. Not expensive. Ford F10. Ooh. Nah, it's not that good. Willys American Coupe. One of the rarest cars in the game. Ooh, red? I don't like it in red. The Plymouth PT50. Oh, I didn't know this is a Plymouth. Look at the engine. Oh, wow. That's a 500 horsepower engine. Right under that truck is a 500 horsepower engine. Let me zoom. Oh, man, I can't zoom in anymore. Dang it. Willys 77 Coupe. Ooh. That's, I don't know how much horsepower that kind of engine has, but all I know is that it's a nice one. Ford Model B. Oh, my God. These cars are so expensive. Oh, that is too much of an expensive car. But look at this engine. Top speed, 160 miles an hour. And basically, its horsepower in this car is 1,200 horsepower. Chevrolet 310. Chevrolet 3100. Oh my God, you could barely see out of the thing. How could you see out of it? Look at that engine. That's like a 2,000 horsepower engine almost. My God. There's so much. Shelby. Oh, the Mustang. That Mustang. Oh, man. This thing looks beautiful. I love it. Oh, 300 grand. Shelby GT 500. Look at it, red and loved. Ooh. Ooh, man, this thing looks sick. Shelby Cobra. I hate the roof on that car. The Shelby Daytona Coupe. The Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. Okay. Fastest Shelby. Never got a problem. Okay. Tell me which kind of cars you want me to get in the description below. Hang on, let me do something. I want to show you guys something. Sorry, I meant to say I want to show you guys something. So here's the Chevrolet Impala. I'm going to buy me another one, so it's going to take me a little more. Let me pause it again. Okay, here's the new Chevrolet Impala I got. I bought it, and they said they gave me a lot of... They said I could fully upgrade the thing for free. Let's upgrade all the important parts. Now, let me show you how the pros do it. There we go. Wait a minute. Man, everything is free at stage 5. Oh yeah, I want to boss this car as well. Tier 1 to Tier 5. Marco's Ford Thunderbird, the Tier 1 crew leader that I defeated and won his car. You can't open the doors in this game, which really stinks. But let's do a little bit of a race. Like, is there... Ooh, the daily battle. The daily battles are really cool. Is that the Ford F10? This is a hot rod. I just revealed this. Okay, let's go. Dang it. You could try 3 daily battles. A Maserati? Why is this a Maserati? Whatever, let's just go. These cars are fast. I keep losing in them. Yes, I am eating Cheez-Its right now because I am hungry. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. So now there's one more race. Now we'll have to catch, or no, we'll have to wait a little. So, a BMW 5.7. Those cars are hard. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop the video here. I hope you liked it. If you think I should buy a Ferrari or a hot rod or, yeah, that's it. Leave it in the comments below. Apart from that, bye.